can't stay here forever, man. You just want to stay here forever? Give Miko his a moment of shine. I guess it's over. Can you be quiet while you're here, sir? Yeah. This is work time, bruh. If you're gonna be here, you're gonna have to behave yourself. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have a special guest with us. I don't know how long he's gonna be here for, but he's here for the moment. This is Miko. He's pretty big now, but he's still really small. Anyways guys, let's jump into this hair review. Today's hair sponsor is HairSpells. I have installed a 22-inch 13x4 Brazilian loose wave wig. looking gorgeous. We did a simple installation today, the middle part, and this time you guys, I actually got the part straight. Hello, sir. Are you gonna lick your balls while you're up here? Hello? Don't lick your balls while you're up here. It's time to go, okay, Miko? Yeah, you gotta go now. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. You got no. So guys, today's hair sponsor is HairSpells. They sent me this 22-inch, 180% density, 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is in the loose wave texture. I'm here for it. The curls are actually stunning. So yeah, the curls come like in a coiled, like coily curl, and then when you wash it and dry it, that's what it dries like naturally. I feel like it's giving 24 inches, you guys. Like, it's definitely longer than 22 inches, so that is perfect because this is definitely styled length. Now, I want to mention I did bleach the knots on my unit prior to installing it, so this is what it's looking like. It's looking really, really good. I did use the bold hold, and I was noticing it was lifting where I had some makeup left over, so be careful if you're using that. You definitely want to remove all traces of makeup before using it because it won't stick. But once you do get it on there, like, that thing is on there, like, it's not coming off. Anywho, back to the review, you guys. This wig is beautiful, 180% density, and yes, she is definitely giving 180%. Oh my goodness, I am loving it. The lace matched my skin tone really nicely, no complaints there. The cap does fit a bit smaller. I'm finding that it's feeling a bit more tight than usual, but that's okay because this wig can be worn glueless even though it is a frontal wig. Hair is so soft. It did not have any funky smell or anything like that, which, you know, we love because sometimes these wigs don't smell as nice and it's kind of off-putting. This wig doesn't have any smell at all whatsoever. Like, she smells good, looks good. I'm feeling it. I love her. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, absolutely beautiful. You know, every time I try a curly wig, I think, okay, well, it's just gonna be another curly wig, but certain curly wigs stand out from others, and this one definitely is doing so. I believe I worked with HairSpells once before. I'll leave that information and that video in the description box for you guys to check it out, but this wig is definitely the best that I've seen from them, so I'm definitely impressed with that. I don't know how many times I said definitely. It's definitely too many, but you guys, I'm really liking this wig. I can't stop saying enough nice things about it, and the wig can definitely get bigger. I don't want to poof her out too much, but I still want to give you guys like a full idea of like what it actually looks like. Comment below your thoughts on this unit because I'm really feeling it. You guys like it too? Let me know your thoughts. It is a bit like a layered wig, so it seems like it is shorter here and then it goes longer, but I think that's a classy look and I do love it on a curly wig. 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this wig. I love the fact that it didn't have any smell. The lace is beautiful, melted really nicely into my skin, and the construction of the wig overall, like, you're getting a lot of hair on this wig. Quality of the hair feels really soft, and yeah, no bad smell. Like, I really don't have anything bad to say about it, so yeah, definitely recommend. I would say this wig is Kaviar Kez approved. The information in the description box for HairSpells if you guys want to check them out. It is a gorgeous wig. I would definitely say it'll be worth your time. You won't be mad at it. And yeah, guys, so that wraps up this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, informative, or, you know, you thought I did my thing, leave me a like or a comment. It really does go a long way. Catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.